Go ahead and stand up with him. As long as you got nectar, they're happy.
Pretty dope.
He's like, I'm gonna get me some here.
You're getting popular with the chicks. Oh my god.
Hell, bro.
They're loving ya. Nom nom on some hair.
Alright, I'm gonna steal one of your birds.
Oh, he likes Trevor more. It couldn't be the nectar.
Is he gonna bite me in the ear, dude?
Nah,
No, he's not.
he's just chilling.
He's just chilling there. I know, it's kind of scary. Oh, Trevor, dude. Trevor, I didn't tell you this, but he pooped on your shirt.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh. Awesome.
You can't see it though.
Oh. Howdy, bird. These birds must be super stoned. Look how red their eyes are.
This is a female right here. You know how I know? Because when they're mating, the male bites the back of the neck, and so that's why there's not as many feathers there.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, when they're mating.
Fascinating.
Yeah, it is fascinating.
That
Alright,
was
No,
sarcasm.
don't shoot them.
You can't.
Let me see one of them. Come here. Come here, turd. You're like,
All right.
where's